Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag ClickHouse tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to create, read, update and delete in ClickHouse. So this is the called the CUD operation. So we'll go through the CUD operation for the ClickHouse. So step by step process we'll go through that and insert and select data example for the beginners in ClickHouse. I'll walk you from the SSH, from the connection, installation, create database, table, insert the data and simple update and delete with ClickHouse. Okay, and finally we'll go with the loading of the CSV file. So I'll go through that and SSH of the server. So we did the Ubuntu server. So I'm just running through the Ubuntu. So my Ubuntu server is running with the VMware workstation. That is a Ubuntu 24.04 for LTS server is there. So now I am going to access this server. So let me open the CMD and SSH DPT and at the rate then IP address. So while installing my server, I have given the username, password and IP address for that. Done. Now we'll go to the install ClickHouse official repository. First, we'll update and upgrade the system packages. Let me go and update and upgrade the system packages. Then next, we'll just install the curl CS certificate, apt transport, HTTPS. Then next, we're moving to add the GPG key. And additionally, we'll go through the add up this one source list file. So edit. Now I am going to update my system packages again because we have changes on the source list file. Then we'll install the ClickHouse server and ClickHouse client in the same time. So update and install. So here you can see the packages is updated in the stable release. Now we are going to install the ClickHouse common static server and client. So set up the password on the default admin at the rate 123. In the last, it will ask you the password. Set up your password for the default user. Now I'm going to put admin at the rate 123. So installation is completed. Now next sudo systemctl enable now ClickHouse server and status ClickHouse server provider. Status I'm checking and enable. Enable means that whenever the server will boot, automatically system service will start. For that we are enabling the services. So this thing is done. Now I am going to access the ClickHouse. So ClickHouse client. My password is admin at the rate 123. So we have logged in. So logged in our database console. Now I'm going to create a database. So create database and if not exist, then I'm giving the database name demo. Okay. So use demo. So we have logged into demo. So now I'm going to create a user table with engine I'm using here MergeTree. So that so insert some row. So I'll go with the cut operation. So cut operation is the create, read, update, and delete. So I'll just insert some rows. Inserted. Now you can go to the insert to the multiple rows. Same insertion as we are using the SQL. Done. So next I'm going to read the data. So all the data is available here. So whatever inserted, we have inserted three rows at a time and one row before. Okay. Now we'll just filter the rows and we'll just select this. So these are the total report. Now what I am doing, I'm just checking the age. So age is more than 25 means 27, more than 27. So we are getting the data. So 25 is going to be ignored there and remaining all the data we are getting. Okay, everything is correct now. Now you can count the edges CNT for the with the edge. So if any data is there with the same age, so you'll get the count. So if this is working with the group by, order by, descending. So all the default commands are working there. Now I'll go for the updated delete. So before we have this data, now I'm adding plus one. So 25 become a 26, 27 become a 28 and 35. So here age adding age plus 1 where id is equal to 2. So id we have id is equal to is 28. So no id is equal to is Sanju. So there is a full data. Sanju is there 25. So I'm adding 1. So this will become 26. Okay. So this is done. Now you want to delete. So deleted. Now check. So fourth number is deleted. So Purab is deleted from there. So we don't have Purab now. Now is these are the simple command. So you can also run the alter and delete in node immediate physical remover of the mutation. So alter table demo user delete where id is equal to 4. You can run this one and check mutation. So run this command for the checking the mutations. So all the details you will get. So user mutation 4 underscore txt 3 and we have run this query. We have deleted this query. So now we are going to the next. So load data from CSV file. So I'll create one CSV file. Let me create a CSV file. So this is the folder. Right click on there. Just create users dot CSV. Done. Now I'm going to this edit in text editor. Save. And now I want to open the WinSCP. So go to your IP address. So password with the admin at the rate 123. So this is a simple thing. I'm going to access again. I'll show you. So here, go to the new site, SFTP, and put your hostname or host IP 192.168.136.128. Then port is 22 is this okay. So now my username is dpt, enter, and you have to put the password admin at the rate 123. So I am going to access this one. Okay. So in this path we are going to upload this. So file is uploaded on the home dpt. Okay. So now on server I'm just calling the same path. Password is admin at the rate 123. Go there. So exit from this, enter. So done. Now I'm going to log in and let me check with the users. So see, two rows we have inserted from the CSV. If you go to the CSV, so there is Arun and Sunita is there. Age is 30, age is 25. Okay. So both the rows are added there. So now useful admin queries and tips are there. Listing the database, show databases, show tables from the demo, and this is the describe table. Monitor the background merge mutation. You can run this one and you can see this those things. So in this video we have learned how to configure the CRUD operation on the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS for the ClickHouse database. And disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logos and names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for educational information purpose under the fair use section 107 copyright act 1976. And follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video and DM me for the paid PDF and documents. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in the YouTube comment box. I will personally reply on this. And subscribe for the free tutorial learning content. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment and subscribe to Chirag tutorial. Thank you.